brand new Leo Vince, baby. Alright, so my brake reservoir pieces came in too, so I'm gonna be putting them bitches on next. Got the brake bleeder kit. Well, if it ain't one thing, it's another, man. Looks like I'm still missing a fucking bolt. So, at least I got my exhaust on. I don't need my rear brake to ride, so I'm gonna ride this shit over there and fucking handle it, dude. Listen to that. She's got more oomph to it, man. I'll give you that much. Wait, back brake don't work. Oh man, that shit sounds so much better. I'm not even gonna lie, dude. I love it. Damn, man, I feel weird without a rear brake right now, dude. I'm gonna go get my bolt right now, come back, bleed my brakes, and then I'll be able to fucking handle this shit. Don't worry, baby, we're gonna get you all nice and cleaned up and everything. But damn, they busy. 'Cause it's the freaking weekend, baby. I'm about to have me some fun. That was my R. Kelly impression. You don't want to see the other R. Kelly impression. Trust me. What's up, dude?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good. What's up, dude? Hey, I was just in here, man. I picked this up, but I don't have the bolt to go onto my bike. Do you guys have a small one this size at least? Well, shit, man. I guess I'm going elsewhere. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Right. How much I owe you for this? Alright, so I got my piece. Now let's go handle this shit. Little coppers. What, you're gonna... What a fucking douche, dude. Fucking douche. Dude, I love this shit. I love it. I fucking love it. Now let's go wash this motherfucker. Alright, you guys, so I got everything taken care of. Everything's put back up. So now it's time to wash this motherfucker. The only thing that I'm missing, and I'm actually gonna grab them in a little bit, I'm gonna go see my brother before he moves to Arizona, and I'm gonna stop by the bike shop and get me the bolts that connect to these, because they fucking stole these too, man. Makes no fucking sense. Why is everybody going that way? That's weird. Come on, buddy boy. I see you. Do you see me? Do you see me? Look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at FBC. Now I need to get my bolts. I actually found two more that were missing. One all the way down here and one underneath here. Fucking assholes must have thought I had a full exhaust system, because they clearly knew what they were doing. I know for a fact it was not a tweaker who stole my shit. Well, anyways, let's go see if they got what I need in here. Hopefully yes. And then she is fully put back together again. What's up, dude? Yes, sir.
Cool. Phone number?
619.
Are you military, police, fire, veteran?
I'm a first responder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have any ID and shit?
I do.
We're a little bit different than today. You're actually going to pay up front.
Okay.
So right where the ladies who walk past.
Cool.
That's who you're going to see for your, and then your 15% is on there.
All right, man. Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a good day, man. Ooh, I get to see the ladies. You got me? So let's get these bad boys attached now. What are you, fucking bananas and Red Bull, man? Here, take these.
I called Johnny. He said he didn't want nothing.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, thank you. I'll see you up there. You got a reverse light out.
Do I?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Man, this is in the area where I first dropped Mona. I only had her for 3 days. 3 fucking days, man. I came up here to visit my little brother. And so it's his fucking fault. You know, he shouldn't be living all the way out here in areas where I'm gonna drop my goddamn bike. But anyways, moving on. I was coming around this corner and some fucking asshole decided to speed up after he slowed down. It looked like he was gonna let me make my left turn, and I wasn't that used to riding, so I crunched my brake. Hello, fellow bike. And of course I didn't clutch and the handlebars were turned, so I stalled out and the bike tipped over. No major damage, it was fine, but it still sucked. It hurt my feelings, man. I just got it right here, man. Right fucking here. Legit. Right here. Right there. Right motherfucking there. So stupid. Clean ass bitch. This is weird. My brother has weird friends. I swear to God. Oh my God, look at you. I want to put my wiener inside. Mmm. Nothing? I'm happy. Mona's back. Oh. They violated my baby.
Baby. I was getting mad at them people.
Look at that shit.
All up on your ass.
You saw them too?
Yeah.
They do that shit, man. It's like, for real, dude, I'm doing 80.
I know.
You know what I mean? Like, get the fuck out of here, bro. Like, move, motherfucker.
I gotta hold on to the railing to get up.
And the bananas? You gotta hold on to the bananas.
I pressed it, and then I took it out again, and I was like,
Weird.
oh, look at this weird pattern on the inside again, and then I touched it.
What's up, bad boy?
Fuck you, bitch. You get bananas from 7-Eleven?
That's what I said. Banana and Red Bull, dude.
Bull and bananas?
That's your mom, man.
I said it's
Fuck yeah, Leo Vince. Brake reservoir back up. This motherfucker's a beast now. Make sure to hit up that IG. See my sexy fat bitch. Oh yeah. You know that shit's picking up, baby boy. Well, the sun is going down, but it's still fucking nice out here. The weather is wonderful, man. And this fucking bike sounds legit. I love it, man. Hey, you know what? I'm glad they stole my shit, because now I got the original exhaust that I wanted on this bike to begin with. So, thank you guys. I appreciate it a fucking bunch. Because now, my bike sounds sexier than ever. The way she moans. Alright, back to the music. Hello, 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 hello.